What's up?
We here.
We're here in the kitchen with the amazing, beautiful Chef Lovely.
I'm here.
The homie.
We getting ready to cook. We getting ready to eat good. Brunch.
We
Who
doing
don't
brunch.
love brunch?
Who don't love brunch? Brunch is for friends. Brunch is for family. We got a lot of situations going on, so I'm excited.
I love gin. You appreciate gin.
Yes.
I love the floral, just deliciousness of it. We need some ice.
Okay, we need ice.
I'm gonna start with a little grapefruit like you doing that.
Okay. I just want y'all to check the knife out. Check out the lovely knife.
I mean, it's kind of cute or whatever.
How'd you do that?
My homegirl in Chicago was like, we need to do something to your knife. I'm like, let's put diamonds in it. She was like, okay.
There's no other way to have a knife. Okay, let's do it.
Let's do a little bit of basil too. Y'all know my philosophy, just pour it till it feel good. We ain't really gonna measure that gin.
1, 2, 3. So that's about, okay. 1, 2, 3. Oh, I love it.
I mean, we could add a little bit more. Now you just put me on to this. This is the lime and rose water mixed together.
And that has a really good ratio of citrus and rose.
I tasted it before and I was like, that's it right there. We don't even have to use the lime juice because like you said, the acidity is there. Is he gonna fall in there? That's okay.
Are those roses in there?
Yeah, it's rosebuds actually.
Do y'all see the roses in there?
That's dope, right?
Dried roses? Oh, yeah. Fancy.
We're gonna do a little splashy splash of this, right?
Let's do it.
Cause why not?
So when you're at home, do you make cocktails for friends? Or do you usually, you do?
Yeah, I like to start the night off like that.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Just like sit down, like take a load off, drink, sip on this with me. And then, I kind of casually get back into the kitchen and then, start bringing the food out.
Right.
But yeah, pumping on some music. I love a bop.
We know she love a bop. If you've seen her TikTok or Instagram, she know the bop, okay?
And you love it. And
you love it. She just don't even watch she don't even have to watch what you doing. You just be like, eye contact with the camera. Make love to the camera.
It's like when you're a professional chef, like I know what my hands is doing. I ain't gonna look all the time.
Right.
So ice is optional. That's what you just learned. It is cold. Get that condensation though, right?
Ooh.
That's how you know. I mean, a good 15 seconds is really all you need, but since we got that basil in there, I really want to get as much of that flavor out as possible.
Yeah.
So 30 seconds is really all you need. All right, here we go. That color is so pretty.
Oh, wow.
Let's do 1, let's do 2. And then we'll top it off with some sparkling water too.
So I think there's about 3 shots of gin. Maybe 4.
I don't even know.
The rest was rosé, rose.
A splash of the rosé, a little bit of this. I use 1 ounce of this.
Yeah.
We got the S dot, cause why not?
Why not?
Top it off with that. And then we got our little garnish. You know what I'm saying? Go ahead and put the whole little thing in there, cause why not?
See.
And then a couple dried rose petals. Why yours didn't stay up, but mine stayed up?
What the hell? Mine drunk already. I can get into this.
Yeah, for sure. Cheers.
Cheers
Thanks
to
for having
you. Thank you for coming and doing this.
Ooh, sip that thing.
Oh my God.
That's good. That's good.
Wow.
Can I just go back in for?
Top me off.
I mean, can I just?
Oh, this is the summer right here.
This is it. That's bomb. Okay.
All right, we gonna sip on that.
We sipping on that.
Because then Lovely is gonna teach us how to make some lobster and grits.
My signature dish is shrimp and grits, but I was like, let's switch that thing up and let's do lobster and grits, because why not?
Because she fancy. Okay, so we'll start on, yes, your grits.
All right, let's get our liquid going. That's the back. Drop that. When you're getting your chicken stock, everybody make sure it's low sodium, so this way you can control the salt, because we're definitely gonna put back in. Let me bump up that heat.
So then you'll drop the grits in.
Yep, and we're gonna rain it in, right? You don't want no lumps, so we'll talk about that in a second. All right. So since I got a little bit already going over there, we don't need that much. So nice little small dice. We're gonna do a little julienne first. Turn that thing to the side. Small dice. Boom. Cream cheese. That's my little secret.
Okay, so in the grits,
and the grits. And but it also brings this like luxurious like creaminess to the situation as well.
I can only imagine. I've never had cream cheese and grits.
What we looking like right here? Oh yes, yes.
Okay.
Grab a whisk, and we gonna rain that thing in.
That thing's smelling good.
Right, already. So at this point, you can go ahead and reduce your heat. We at a boil. So you want to slowly add your grits because we don't want no lumps.
No.
That ain't cute. And we're just gonna let our grits do their thing. And you can easily adjust it too. If you're like, oh, it's still looking a little loose after it's cooked for about 5 to 7 minutes, shake about another 2 tablespoons in.
Right.
If you're like, ooh, it's a little, that thing, she a little too thick, which
never a problem.
You can always go back in with a little bit of milk or stock to loosen it up. So what we can do while this is coming to a boil though, we can talk about like the sauce.
The sauce.
The lobster like sauce, a little bit of unsalted butter, and then we're gonna saute our veg, celery, onions, bell pepper. If you wanna add some garlic, be my guest. That butter is gonna do its thing. Don't skip out on the butter, all right?
Don't ever skip. That's right.
Okay, like I didn't say add a whole stick. 2 tablespoons is not gonna hurt that thing, okay? Cooking is about layering. I call it slayers, satisfying layers of flavors, right?
Because who don't want butter with lobster?
I mean,
Who don't want butter with everything?
exactly. I'm gonna add all this in. This is about half of a pack, so about 4 ounces-ish. And what's dope is if you don't have cream cheese, you can use mascarpone, which is like the Italian version of cream cheese. Hit me with some white wine, chef. Okay, okay. The alcohol is gonna evaporate, so the kids can eat this too, whatever.
Gotta have the cream.
So this is really gonna bring the sauce together.
Tell me when.
So it feels good.
That's a beautiful color too.
It's about to get better because you know we gotta put Old Bay in it.
Oh, you know.
Don't bring me no shrimp and grits if Old Bay is not in the sauce.
Yes.
Old Bay. Now Old Bay is strong, so go in with just a little bit. Give
Look
it a
at that
stir.
color.
So now we got 2 lobster tails. I'm gonna just put them in like this.
Ooh.
Yup, and then we can
lay
put the
down.
lid on there.
Okay.
So now it's kind of like
Steaming and all that cream. So I have these croissants. This is really the best shape you want to get for croissant French toast.
yeah.
And then just press it down. Like you want to kind of get it flatter. And then we're going to get the egg in. And we're basically going to season our egg with some cinnamon. Exactly. All of that. All of that delicious.
Cinnamon, a little nutmeg, a little vanilla.
So I have a little bit of Madagascar vanilla extract here. I love vanilla extract, so.
Do you use vanilla bean paste at all?
I do.
I do too.
I love that. A lot of cinnamon. I love cinnamon on French toast. And then a little bit of nutmeg. Don't go heavy on the nutmeg. It's very strong. And if it ain't brown, keep adding cinnamon. Lovely suggested that we kick it up a notch. So we gonna add in some coconut cream. It's unsweetened. We're gonna sit the croissant in here. Just dunk it in. Get it all in. Dunk it in, dunk it in. That's not the theme song.
No, it's not.
That's plug it in. Plug in, right?
I don't know what that is. What you
Plug it in, plug it in.
What is that?
That's the plug-in commercial.
For what
I
product?
thought it was Dunkin' in. I was thinking of Dunkin' Donuts, but they don't have
them.
them. Plug-ins.
The air fresheners?
Yes.
I mean, I got this.
Well, that's perfect.
Okay. Well, that thing almost ready. Check on this lobster though. Ooh, yes. Yes.
Oh yeah, it's cooking now. Got that perfect crunch. I gotta go upstairs and get some damn syrup.
You mad if I do a strawberry fan instead of that?
Love.
Right, and then I brought you some edible gold.
Love it.
Why not? Just like that. Just like that. Now it cooked in that sauce, but I'm still gonna taste a little piece because it may just need a little pinch of salt. You know what I'm saying? We don't know. So this is like the little ends right here that's not as pretty as the rest. You cut that, you taste that, and then you know how to season accordingly. Don't be shy with them grits now.
I'm just trying to make it look pretty. Have it look nice.
And we're gonna take that lobster and just put that
Oh my God.
just right on top, like that.
This is brunch.
Like that. That's like a $25 plate at a restaurant. I'm gonna do a little sauce,
Oh my gosh. Yeah, I want you to drink it.
So what we can do is we're gonna kind of just go on the sides a little bit. If you want to just stick to one side, I think that's cute, like with the negative space. Yeah.
And we got that bacon.
That's right.
Oh my gosh.
That's right. We got a little bacon.
Perfect plate. Oh, she went in. Oh, she went in. We got taste.
Where my drink at?
Right
All the way
here.
over there. That's
Oh, this is
yours.
mine. Should we start with the, I want to start with the lobster. Oof.
I think I do too. I'm gonna get a little sauce. I'm gonna get a little grit. I'm gonna get a little lobster. I mean, that's a bite. Grits, cream sauce with the vegetables, the white wine, the lemon, the bacon, the lobster.
Oh my gosh. Look at that sauce. You see that sauce?
Oh my God.
You see that sauce, how it's hitting the back of the lobster? With the grits.
That is so damn good.
Yo. This is kind of crazy.
Ladies, my mouth is full, I don't care. If you're trying to get that man, make this dish.
Make this dish.
I'm telling you. Fellas, if you want to impress your lady, make this dish. If you just want to cook it for your grandma, like, I'm gonna stop talking. I just want to continue to eat this.
I have no words.
You got nothing to say?
The butter, the lemon, you hit every mark that I would want in a grit dish with seafood.
That's good. When you lick the back of the fork,
Right.
it's good. Like, oh man.
Brunching. Why does it hit after the lobster though?
The butter at the bottom of the pan, sprinkle the cinnamon in. That is so clutch. I've never seen that before. You're blooming that cinnamon. You're making a cinnamon butter, and it's gonna help bring color and that little bit of crispiness at the bottom of the French toast. That's brilliant. Brilliant. That's good.
We gonna go finish brunching.
Because
We made a feast in no time. I mean, we wouldn't have even been at the spot yet, right?
no.
We running late.
We're still like outside.
We still running late.
Right. So yeah, I'm gonna grab all of this.
Let's grab this. I got this.
You got that? Mm-hmm. I'm gonna bring this.
Oh, bring that.
And we out.
We out. Thank you, lovely.
Why is it so good?
What the is this dish? Right?
That shit is bomb. Would you please taste this? Would you please taste it? Like, we're not putting one for the camera. Like, I'm in love with this.